The Exam Magic climbing experience is designed to help students work with goal setting. So when they come into the climbing centre, they do some goal setting activities with the Exam Magic team, and then the climbing centre team take them up onto the wall. And we're using climbing as a metaphor for goal setting, for overcoming challenges, for going beyond what you think you can do.
Hard.
At the start of it, I didn't think I could do it, but then by the end of it, it was really I accomplished what I wanted.
I feel a lot more confident.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What we see is improvements in confidence, improvements in focus, improvements in goal setting ability.
You go off sometimes off track, but you can always go back and reach your final goal.
The understanding of what a goal is and its purpose and its actual function in achieving things moving forward.
There's going to be obstacles to get to the top, but never give up.
And then we kind of place this into a context of their learning and the outcomes of their exams, and really very much what they can achieve in life.
I've learned that with climbing and stuff, if you can't do it, try again and eventually it gets easier, and that it applies for life as well.
About life choices.
What about life choices?
Experience that you should work hard, and when you fail, you should get back up.
And the problems they've just set has been some challenging problems. I don't even know if I could have done that one on the back wall.
I've learned that it's going to be challenges, but it's about how you break it down and take it in steps to overcome the challenges.
Not to give up and to persevere no matter how hard it is.
It's about setting themselves challenges that they may find hard or they may find easy, and if they find them easy, how can they make them harder? So it's about challenging yourself and then getting your friends to see if they can do it as well.
Take your time with things.
Yeah. Don't rush.
Don't rush and have patience. Don't go left. Waiting. Don't panic as well.
Follow your path. Well, that's all you need to do. Follow your path. That's all. That's all really.
Keep going and look for a different route.
They've been brilliant. They've been so enthusiastic. They've picked it up really quickly.
It's all about these kids inspiring each other. We're there to facilitate the inspiration, but the key thing is these kids inspiring one another.
And then they realise they're breaking down those barriers in their own minds.
I can't do it, but I believe myself, and I did it somehow.
Goals are really important for young people, specifically for their educational experience, because if they decide that they're working towards something, now they're working in a self-directed way. And self-directed learning is the key to success in education, and it's also the key to success when you get out of education, and whether that means you're going into employment or you're starting your own thing or you're going travelling around the world, it needs to be coming from you. It has to be self-directed.
Work hard for what you want.
Do your best.
That I should always keep trying and never give up.
Any situation or challenge faced for us.
I think this experience was absolutely phenomenal for those young people, and the reason that I'm saying that is they came in and just about every student at the beginning of the day was looking at the climbing challenges in front of them, and they all said it, I'm not going to be able to do that. And by the end of the day, they'd done things that at the beginning of the day they thought were impossible.
I know personally I lack of confidence, and today actually really helped me. I came out of my shell more.
I've learnt new skills and just go for it instead of being worried, and just decided to not panic about stuff and just do it.
All I learned, never give up. Always try.
Keep trying.
Yeah.